Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
So let's get started. I'm going to start with a roll down exercise. So you're going to have your feet in parallel. I'm going to bend the knees and gather the shoulders up, reaching the right arm above the head. I'm then going to curve front and tilt side, and then swing the arm over to catch a long flat back, and then roll and peel through the spine. Arms come up to fifth. So again, you plie, gather the shoulders, 3, 4, you curve, you tilt, you swing, and you want to catch that top arm over to come flat back, and then roll through the spine, arms come to fifth. We're then going to do 2 rises. You've got a rise, a lower, a rise, arching back slightly as the heels touch the floor. You're going to come over through flat back to hang over the legs. We then do 2 pliés at the bottom, so you're hanging over. You've got a plié, a stretch, a plié, a stretch. You come through to plank and hold it there. You've got 1 press up, long spine, sneak through, have a little stretch here, reaching up to the sky. You're going to press in through the hands, downward dog. You're going through the heels there. Then you walk your hands back to plie, to roll up. I'll go back to the beginning for you. 6, 7, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You swing. You catch, 5, 6, 7, you rise, a lower, a rise, arch back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hang, 5, 6, 7, you plie and stretch, 5, 6, 7, you come to plank, hold 5, 6, 7, 1 press up and lift, sneak through the spine. Here, you press back. Through to downward dog, holding it here, long spines, nice pressing through the palms, through the heels. You walk back and curve the spine to come up. Last little bit before we do it on the left side. As you roll up, your arms come to parallel above you. I'm going to swing and catch, and swing and catch. My fingertips are going to peel through, and I'm going to sneak the spine up, sneak the spine back, to then curve through and lift. We then go left side. So we repeat everything as we did with the left side. You're swinging, catch here. Rises, pliés, upward dog, downward dog. And then we have our swings and catches. And you peel through the fingertips to sneak and back up. A 5, a 6, 5, 6, 7, and plie, lift, swing and catch, fold through, 2 rises, lift, down lower, arching back, press, 2 pliés, a 1 and 2, through to plank. Strong planks, here we go. 1 press and press. Arch through. Push back, downward dog. Press. Walking your hands back to your feet. Plie. Roll through. Arms come up. To swing and a swing, a catch, peel through, snake, and curve 1, left side, here we go, and 1, curve and tilt, swing, 2 rises, lift, lower, lift, arch back, press. Hanging over to plie. Roll through. Nice long spines and press. And arch. Good. Press back. your hands back to hangover. 1. And plie, snake through. Arms up. Here we go, to swing, and 1. Peel, to snake. Curve. 1 little rise to finish, arms to 5th. Rise up. Press down. Good, and lower, nice. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and plie. Lift. Swing and catch. Fold through. 2 rises, lift. Down lower. Arching back. Press. 2 plies. 1 and 2. Through to plank. Strong planks, here we go. 1 press and press. Arch through. Push back, downward dog. Press. Walking your hands back to your feet. Plie. Roll through. Arms come up. To swing and a swing, a catch, peel through, snake, and curve. 1, left side, here we go, and 1, curve, and tilt, swing, 2 rises, lift, lower, lift, arch back, press. Hanging over to plie. Roll through. Nice long spines and press. And arch. Good. Press back. Walking your hands back to hangover. 1. And plie, snake through. Arms up. Here we go, to swing, and 1. Peel, to snake. Curve. 1 little rise to finish, arms to 5th. Rise up. Press down. Good, and lower, nice.